In today's video, I am going to teach you how to use automation with forms in Hubspot. Automation tied to a form submission is a simple way to make sure every new lead or request gets a consistent follow-up. Instead of manually sending emails or creating reminders after someone fills out a form, you can have Hubspot do it for you in the background. To begin, log into your Hubspot account and go to Marketing. From there, click Forms. This takes you to the list of forms in your portal. Find the form you want to automate, then click the form name to open it. Make sure you choose the exact form connected to the page or campaign you are working on, since automation is linked to the specific form. Once you are inside the form editor, look along the top menu and click the Automation tab. This is where Hubspot lets you control what happens after a form is submitted. Under the section labeled Automate What Happens After a Form is Submitted, click Create Workflow. This starts the workflow builder with the form submission already set as the enrollment trigger, which saves time and helps prevent setup mistakes. Next, choose how you want to build the workflow. You can select a template, such as sending a follow-up email, or you can start from scratch. Templates are helpful when you want a fast setup and a standard response. Starting from scratch is better when you need a more custom process. Now add your actions. Choose what should happen for each contact who submits the form. Common actions include sending an email, creating a task, or setting a property. When you send an email, make sure it matches the form intent and sets clear expectations for the next step. If you create a task, assign it to the right owner so it does not get missed. If you set a property, use it to tag the contact or store details that will help with segmentation and reporting later. When your actions are in place, click Save, then click Publish to turn the workflow on. Publishing is important because saving alone does not activate the automation. After publishing, it is a good idea to double-check that the workflow is active and connected to the right form. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.